The brown thrasher is taking a bath. Now where'd it go? You see that, Willem?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that neat?
When we had the Volkswagen here, it was parked down at the end of the driveway.
Mm-hmm.
It'd spend hours every day pecking away at the hubcap. The female, she'd see the reflection in the hubcap, and she kept pecking at it.
That was the towhee?
No,
Oh, the brown thrasher?
oh yeah, the towhee. It's a nice shaking up there, getting all nice and clean. Right, that's a loud voice. Of course, I've got my hearing aids on.
It's a very loud voice. And they chirp nonstop. We have a pair that have a nest in a tree in our valley. And then they sit in one tree. One of them sits in the tree and just sings all day. A little wren.
Look, it's sitting up there like the queen of the throne. Of course, it could be the king of the throne. I can't tell the female from the male.
I don't think they have color distinctions. Maybe they do, but I don't know. Now that's a cardinal off in the distance.
Oh, danger. They can probably smell us down there.
That was a pair of thrashers.
Hmm?
That was a pair of brown thrashers. Just
Oh,
flew.
Carol.
I see one end of the sign with a box there.
Probably a lot of little bugs on those branches. Those little
Oh. Hi, Walter. Here he comes.
Hi, Sally.
Yes. Willem, you have to be walking.
What?
Willem, you're supposed to walk. Hello, Sally. Hello. Would you like to be in the movies?